Hello there, it's Wale Oladipo here. Do you know that the quality of your grieving in bad times determines the quality of your bounce back rate? We do know that grieving has got this powerful place within our mental wellness, in our mental health arena. We do know that if you grieve very well when things are going bad for you, chances are you will recover strongly. You will get back to a greater level of impact as humans. What we do know is that when life becomes very tough, people don't grieve. If somebody dies that you really love, a lot of people just want to conform to the societal norm by being strong. It's a very bad way of coping. When life gets tough, when somebody dies or you lose a job, take some time off. When a lovely guy or a lovely lady that you love walk away from you, take some time off. When your lovely pet, passes away, take some time off. It's called legitimate grieving. I remember what Abraham Maslow, one of the greatest brains in the humanistic psychology, says about grieving. He said one of the greatest components for mental disorder is legitimate grieving. So we do have two types of grief. We have legitimate grieving, and we have the illegitimate ones, such as you start to feel sorry for yourself for nothing, and you think the entire world is against you, and you hate other people, and you become extremely paranoid. That is illegitimate grieving. But when something very, very drastic, very, very unexpected happens to you in life, would you please pause and let your brain, your neurological hardware, your brain, come to terms with what is going on? When people that we love pass away, when something very, very sad happens to us, our brain has not yet come to terms with that. So even though you might think you're strong, your brain needs time to settle you into a state of calm, to a state of reality where you begin to understand what has just happened. Neurologically, when somebody passes away that you love dearly, they still live within your neurological network. So it takes time. It takes time for the brain to readjust its neural network to understanding what is just going on in your life right now. So if you speed up as opposed to, instead of slowing down, you are basically enabling your brain to go into an overdrive where it experiences what we know as cognitive distortions or cognitive dissonance. So you eventually get your biochemical reactions to work against you. So we have depression, we have people having mind breakdowns. So come on, what is going on in your life right now? What are you going through that you need to take some time out just to let your mind understand what is going on? So I want to challenge you, come on. The first step is to recognize in bad times, is to recognize that you're hurting. Number two, understand that your brain needs time. Your brain needs time to be able to readjust its internal operating system. You can't just rush things. I remember when my mother passed away many years ago. Everybody was crying, but I didn't cry. Not that I didn't want to cry, but I couldn't garner any crying going. I couldn't get any crying going. I'm back. Somebody just called me. About 6 or 7 months later, I broke down just on the street. It just came back to me. I was overwhelmed. My consciousness became challenged. It was very tough for me. Why? Because I had not taken some time out. Instead of you to speed up in a fight or flight operating system when something bad happens to you, calm down and allow your mind to understand what is going on. So that is number 3. Number 4 is to actually to write down how you're feeling. It's like when we write down what we feel, how we feel, you allow your brain to nurture your emotions into a greater state of being. So write down how you feel about that situation, whether it's a job loss, or it's a relationship breakdown, or it's a particular doctor's report that really shocked you. Just write it down. And the next step is to write down your expectations with regards to that thing. How would you like to get out of it? I would suggest getting out strongly. So write down that I'm here to right now. I know that I'm going to be a better person. We do know that every disappointment is impregnated, is full, is loaded with opportunities if you look long enough. So that is that. I'm Oladipo. I'm just on my way to Scotland right now. Scotland. Just having a break, and I've been thinking about this. I just thought I would share this very quickly with you. So all the very best. We do know that, as Robert Schuller says, the tough time never lasts, but tough people do. A tough time you're going through right now seems as if it's going to last forever, but they're just waiting for your resilience to keep going. Don't give up. But when that life circumstance hits, remember to pause and legitimately grieve. And that is what great minds do. It's not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of strength. All the very best. Thank you everyone who's watching. I could see Zoe there. And all the very best everyone. Bye bye.